Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you without all the overwhelm. One of the most common questions we get is, when's the best time to post on social media? It's understandable because you want your content to be seen.
That's right, Donna. Recently, Buffer analyzed millions of social media posts from Reels and TikToks to LinkedIn updates and YouTube videos to figure out the best times to post in 2025.
They looked at engagement, reach, and views across each platform. Facebook posts, for example, get the most engagement early in the morning around 5 a.m. on Monday. I'm not up then, are you? But Instagram peaks at 3 p.m. on Fridays. LinkedIn works best at 10 a.m. on Tuesdays, while TikTok and YouTube viewers are more active later in the day and in the evenings.
These insights can certainly help if you want to optimize your reach and engagement.
But here's the key. There's no single perfect time for everyone. Each platform and audience is unique, so what works for others might not be the best for you.
Exactly. What truly matters isn't the exact time you post, but how consistently you post. If there's a secret to social media success, it's consistency, not timing.
That's right. Social media algorithms reward consistency. Posting regularly tells both your audience and the platforms that you're active, reliable, and worth following. Consistency builds traction.
So don't get caught up trying to find the perfect moment. Instead, focus on creating a realistic schedule that you can maintain long term. This consistency is even more important than the quantity of times you post.
And don't forget to use your own analytics. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube show when your audience is most active. For others, simply look at your top performing posts and try and find patterns.
So here are your action items for this week. Create a sustainable posting schedule. Check your platform analytics. And focus on consistency rather than timing.
Consistently providing valuable content will grow your audience and your trust, no matter the specific timing. You've got this, and we're here to help you along the way.
And that's it for today's episode. Find the links and resources at delosinc.com/episode 394. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.